hotel pictures on the wall, as you can see. And a lovely bedboard. This is the only wall that we have, so it's kind of problematic. They're going to come in 5 minutes to remove it. We have the plasma television, which takes up another wall.
I don't know if it's gonna move. I got it. Oh, are you?
I'm alright. But I can't move.
Use your muscles.
I think it's like
Bolted?
Yeah.
yeah,
It's bolted?
it's bolted to the wall.
Somebody must have a screwdriver besides the hotel. Can I borrow your Filbert screwdriver?
No, you can buy it.
Even if I...
This is New York. Okay, sure, of course.
I'll bring it back. I have to leave it at home, but I don't have
Have you signed a waiver already?
Thank you so much.
Pressure.
He's putting pressure. Now I want the.
Don't worry about that. I got it.
Anyways, I'm gonna move it over there. Cool. Hold this. Now since this is white, the image should be the same level as the plasma TV. So come on. This is the perfect. Okay, this is going to be the chair. We're going to have the video, and this is going to be where people are going to sit on the hay. This is the hay that's going to be actually tossed dry, and we're going to make it into bundles. Maybe they should be up like this? Yeah, that makes more sense. But tomorrow it's going to be a magnifique.
You guys gonna hang out?
Yeah. We're gonna.
And I want to break away from that precious white space. And it has a whole dynamic when you put the artwork in everything. It doesn't so. And the video there also continues on with walking with art outside. It's in the forest. He sees fine art. All of a sudden, the trees and the leaves and stuff, and it turns his head, disappears, and comes back again. It's like a discovery thing. Thank you. And this room is the field. And in the forest, it's green with the green grass. And the artwork is just being part of the forest. And it's like walking in the nature, and you happen to see fine art. And that's the whole concept of like walking with art. That's why if you look at the video, what you did.
It's nice to have this plate in the hands.
Yeah.
Because there are hands on it.
Maybe
And
it's something
it's
here in New York. Because in New York,
a little
I
bigger
do
than mine.
Oh, you make it?
Yes, I did. They're organic and they're really, really good.
Right, so where's shop? Really, really.
And I especially like your art because I feel part of it. I feel like
Yeah, you're part of the installation.
as I'm here, I am part of your art in a way.
Oh, yes, she didn't even see. Buy a plate because women, since the beginning of time, civilization have given food, nurtured. We have the circles, we have the hands, we have the nature and human interaction. It all kind of goes together.